Happy New Year! Today is Monday, January the 1st, 2024. In this video, we're actually filling up one of our drink vending machines that is located in a warehouse. I got started in vending back in 2018, and now I have over 52 vending machines. If you have been looking to get started in vending, please don't hesitate. Just go ahead and step out on faith and get started. I do help others like yourself that are looking to get started in vending with locations and or how to get set up, things of that nature. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at MissPetty85 or Bumblebee Vending. Also subscribe to this channel because every Monday we will feature something related into the entrepreneurship or business category. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you have an amazing day and an amazing week.